Hi, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So launch your Tonkeeper, and then in order for you to withdraw, all you have to do is to click this send option right here. So you have to make sure also that you have enough or sufficient balance in order for you to do this. Next is tap sell. And then as you can see, you have this one option. So you have to click this show all in order for you to see the method and ways and how to withdraw your money. Now I'm going to click the second one, event change, because this one is the available in my country. So you're opening an external app that operated, you just have to proceed and it will take you directly to another page. But it's still same, it's in the application. Now, as you can see, insufficient funds, you don't have enough ton on your balance to sell. So at this time, I don't have sufficient funds. But again, if you have your sufficient funds in your ton, then it would be very easy for you to withdraw or sell your ton. Now you need to take note of the following. First, give bank details. So in accordance with the guidelines provided by your selected exchange partner, give your bank account details so that converted monies can be deposited into it. Verify and start. To start the withdrawal process, verify that all the information supplied is correct and start the transaction. Important reminder, be mindful of any fees related to the withdrawal of funds from Tonkeeper when using an integrated exchange provider. Exchange rates, network costs, and possible platform fees are a few examples of these fees. So that's it. This is just how simple it is to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.